Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon mojito without soda and Sprite easy guide. Start by washing 2 lemons and 10 mint leaves, then slice and lightly muddle mint with 2 tsp sugar and lemon juice. Add 60 ml white rum to the glass, stir gently, and top with 120 ml chilled sparkling water. Add ice cubes, taste, and adjust sweetness with more sugar if desired before serving. For a balanced lemon mojito, muddle mint with sugar and lemon juice for 8 to 10 seconds until fragrant, not pulverized. Pour 60 ml white rum over the mixture, then add ice to fill the glass halfway. Top off with 120 ml chilled sparkling water and stir gently to keep the bubbles. Taste and tweak sweetness with small amounts of sugar, then garnish with a mint sprig and a lemon wheel for a fresh finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading cocktail guides and recipe books anywhere, making it easy to follow recipes at home or on the go. I include a link and more deals in the description below for your convenience, so check there if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Try variations like a virgin lemon mojito by replacing rum with 60 ml additional lemon juice and extra sparkling water. Swap raw sugar for simple syrup for faster dissolution, or experiment with 3.5% honey syrup for a floral twist. Muddling time affects bitterness, so keep it brief and aromatic. Serve over lots of ice and garnish with a mint sprig and lemon wheel to make each glass look inviting and aromatic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.